And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. What's up, my YouTube friends, viewers, subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger tasting test video. What I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new Reese'S Caramel Craze. You know, for a minute there, I thought I was about to spoil the name, but I guess not. So I will be trying it and ranking it just to see how it is. And right now they're still promoting their, well, not there, but Superman. They're still promoting it. So I'm guessing, well, this is the first, it's melting just a little bit. I'm guessing this is the first time I've ever tried Reese's and caramel together. Because if you know me, I'm a huge fan of Reese's, but not so much of caramel. But some genius decides to put it together. So we're going to see just how this is basically. Bro, outside so hot right now to the point where I literally just got it and it's melting already. And normally when they make it, they turn it upside down because it's like hard. So they turn it upside down and it's melting already. Okay, let's get into it. And that's what I like about Dairy Queen, bro. I swear every month they come out with a new blizzard. Okay, here we go. Okay. There's bits of Reese's at the top. Mm. Okay. Mm. I can't even taste the caramel. Can barely even taste the caramel, bro. I think the Reese's is like extremely sweet to the point where it's just overthrowing the caramel. Mm. Mm. There we go. That bite there, I could taste the caramel just a little bit. Mm. I'm guessing this caramel is like, I would say, Swedish. Mm. Mm. I'm happy they mixed the caramel with the Reese's because it's only one bite that I've took that I can taste the caramel just a little bit. Mm-hmm. But it has a lot of, I would say, Reese's Reese's cup or Reese's puff in in it. So I'm guessing when I took all the bites of the Reese's, I can't taste the caramel. Mm-hmm. Let me see if I can take a bite without the Reese's. This almost want to taste like there's no caramel in this. Hmm. Can't taste it. Really, it's only one bite I've took that I actually tasted. Well, hmm, I'm guessing this is a good sign I can't taste it. So I give this, I would say, 8.5 out of 10, hands down. Reese's Caramel Craze. I Man, there's a lot of Reese's in this. It's almost like they stuffed it up. I think because Reese's is more like extremely sweet, can't really taste the caramel. Because one bite, for a second there when I first started trying it, I was like, wait, did they give me the Reese's Caramel Craze or did they give me the straight Reese's? That's what I was thinking when I took the first couple of bites. And then while I was going, that one bite I took, I tasted the caramel and I was like, okay, I can taste the caramel. So they didn't give me the wrong one. But definitely 8.5 out of 10 hands down. It was, I would say it's sorry. I was about to say extremely sweet. It is sweet due to the fact that it's Reese's Puff, obviously. And I don't know. I'm not, if you guys been watching me for a while now, you guys know I'm a caramel hater. Because due to the fact that I've tried something with caramel a couple years ago and it was a very bad experience. But surprisingly, after that, every other thing I've gotten with caramel wasn't so bad. So I must say, I'm not say liking it, but I'm okay with it. Because the moment I saw something with caramel, I'm like, here we go again. But you see, due to the fact that I'm always trying things, so I have to try majority of all the things that's like when places come up with new things, I try it. The only way I don't try it, if I'm allergic to it, then I don't try it. But Dairy Queen always have nice blizzards and they always have interesting flavors. So I was like, Reese's Caramel Craze. Okay, let's go and see what that's about. But honestly, only one bite I took that I can taste the caramel. It's crazy. And I think they come out like right now. Dairy Queen have 2 new sandwiches. I think one is a flamethrower Whopper, and they have a spicy chicken sandwich. So I'm going to see just how those babies really is. Because like while I was trying spicy chicken back in the day, I can't remember if Dairy Queen had one. And this is like a what's it called? A promotion for the Superman movie. Because even on the cup, you can see Superman's on there. So I'm guessing the 2 sandwiches that they come out with, I'm guessing it's like probably for the promotion and whatnot. So I will try those. And the burger flamethrower Whopper, I can't wait to see how that baby is gonna be. But this was actually, I think I taste caramel just now. I still have no idea how people love caramel. I'm guessing it's the same way how I love chocolate chip and double chocolate chip. Because like everybody love different things. But like caramel, I don't know. If you guys been watching me for a while now, every time I try something with caramel, I always say the same thing. But surprisingly, caramel is doing a little bit better. Because like caramel give that weird aftertaste. And it's like, to me, it's like, no, I like my things like sweet. And well, not killer sweet, but sweet, enjoyable sweet, sorry. But this was actually okay. So it's limited edition, so it is going to go away. So do I recommend it? Absolutely. So try to let me know what exactly you guys think. It's sweet, so make sure you don't give kids if they're about to go to bed, as this is going to keep them up. No cap. So yeah, try to let me know what you think. I think it was okay. I'm happy the Reese's overthrow the caramel, else I'll be here like, So I one bite, like I said, I tasted caramel in one bite. That was it. So yeah, try to let me know what you think. And don't forget, it's limited edition, so it is going to go away. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. I will be back trying to do more things. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.